Workana Tutorial 2023 How to Use Workana for Beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about how we're going to be working with Workana and using it in the greatest, most easiest ways possible, okay? So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can learn the full detail and depth about Workana. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, obviously you're going to come to workana.com. So here it says, welcome to the new era of work. We connect the best independent talent with the best companies. Now, obviously, Workana is a freelancer based company. Okay, you can either apply a freelancer or hire a freelancer. Okay, so it's a lot like Upwork, okay? So you can either become a freelancer or you can hire a freelancer. You can get your work done or, get money for the work you do. So that's all the stuff you get on Workana. So as you can see, real work done, you get qualified talent, remote teams on demand, variety of skills, scalability and agility, and really great stuff. And it has a lot of niches like IT, design, marketing, and a whole lot more. So let's go ahead and discuss both of these different things. So let's go on apply a freelancer and hire a freelancer. So if you go on hire a freelancer, you can see posted project. Create your project for free and receive proposals from professionals. Chat with candidates and choose the one who best adopts your needs. Now you're ready to put your ideas into action. Need devs? Get matched. Select, hire, and pay pre-selected and certified developers from, all the different leading community in 10 days max. Remote full-time and long-term more than 6 months. So I'm just going to go ahead with post a project for now, and we're also going to come over here. Now, for obviously applying for a freelancer, you're going to need to have a proper account, okay? Now I'm just going to go ahead and make an account using a temp mail, okay? You don't necessarily need to do this. I'm just doing this because I want to. If you want to create a proper account, you can just do that using, the proper Gmail or something like that. So once I'm over here, here we go. I'm going to paste this right here. I'm going to put in my name, password. There we go. Okay, and once the password is in, click on create your account. Okay, and once we click on create your account, here we go. Hi, John Leahy. Welcome. What professional field identifies you? So obviously there's IT and programming, design and multimedia, writing and translation, sales and marketing, admin support, all these different niches. It's so fun that they give us a whole category of niches. So I'm going to go with writing and translation, let's say. That's a very required field. So what's our role? Let's say I am a script writer. Skill, 3 professional skills. Let's say I'm going to go with Adobe Photoshop, 10 plus years. Let's say I'm going to go with, you can go with any of these things. I'm going to go with video editing. Again, 10 plus years. I'm just going with the skills I actually have. And then let's go with logo design. Again, 10 plus years. So once you add these things, all you're going to do is you're going to click on continue. So you're doing great, John. It's time to get to know a little more about you. So John Lee, country, address, drag and drop or select a profile image. Now obviously it's compulsory to do these things. And you can also put in your phone number. Which of these 2 definitions suits you best, independent or agency? I'm going to go with independent. Tell us about yourself. Obviously, just go ahead and write a brief summary on like yourself. So let's say I'm gonna write that description. Then you're gonna select your languages. Okay, I'm gonna go with English, level of knowledge, native language. I'm gonna add a language. Let's say there's any other language that you know. You're gonna choose it and then do this. And pretty easy to follow up with these things. Now, once you add your phone number in, all you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and click on continue. Lastly, let's review your work experience. Now, you could either import your whole profile from LinkedIn, which is a pretty easy and good way, or you can manually add things. So I'm going to go with position as a dev. There we go. Company, let's say I'm going to go with Media Coop. Brief description, again, just go ahead and give a description. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm just doing this to skim through it. But yeah, make sure to go ahead and give a brief description. Skills applied, optional. So I'm gonna go with the graphic design, let's say. And I'm gonna go with article writing, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, go with HTML, know that. Start date, let's go with the, yeah, Feb, and date. Yeah, there we go. And then you can add images of yourself if you want to. And once you've done with that, click on finish, and here we go. So profile completed, congratulations. So now you're gonna go ahead and click on get to start. So your account is not active yet, so you're gonna make sure to verify your email. Okay, once you verified your email, you can see you have different priorities. Position yourself first on the list. You can have different priorities. You can see your available balance, withdraw your funds, etc., etc. So to find work, you're gonna come here, okay, and you're gonna click on find work. And once you do that, here you can see all the different works. It's a lot like Upwork if you've used it. So as you can see, one by one, you start seeing projects. So web maps, design, land, and publish with link. Hello all, we can design land in web map and get each plot, etc., etc. And the same happens in this way, like the same you did for freelancing. This is the same way you upload a project, which is also pretty cool. So just follow the same steps that I use for freelancing to upload this. But yeah, moving on. Let's say you want to apply for a job. So you can see the job is 250 to 500. We're gonna click on the job. A marketplace for therapists and patients on WordPress. And about this project, you can see all these create a marketplace that connects patients with therapists based on WordPress, Elementor Pro, etc. So you can obviously, to apply for it, place a bid, and obviously do make sure that the bid you place is, acceptable. Don't make sure the bid is like $500, but if it's $500, your profile needs to be worth $500. Now, as you can see, um, if a person, as you can see, these people that have applied to this job, they need to have top-notch rating. And if they don't have top-notch rating, obviously, then the money they keep should be relatively less. As you can see, it also says, do you also want to know what other freelancers are doing? And you can obviously see these are different types of plans that Workana gives us. So profiles of freelancers who were candidates, plus professional and premium. Which freelancer was chosen? Obviously, plus professional premium. Check if your proposal was read or not. Price, proposal, and premium. Statuses: proposal sent, recommended, interviewing, favorite, invited, eliminated. That is not for plus, only for professional and premium. And then finally, average bid amount for proposal sent. That's only for premium. So obviously, if you go ahead on view plans and buy the actual premium plan, that will be a lot better for you. But yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to discussing how you're going to use Workana for yourself. So basically, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.